Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said, and I quote, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." However, today, if we humans don't stop wasting water the way we have been doing for centuries now, then soon the country will be screaming with slogans like, "तुम मुझे जल दो, मैं तुम्हें जीवन दूंगा." Greetings to Honorable Adjudicator and everyone listening to me. I, Apurva Chaudhary, stand here today to support the statement that water crisis is a failure of people and not of government. No city, town, locality or area, not even as an exception, is there which is not affected by the water crisis. The situation becomes acute, sometimes unbearable, with mercury shooting up. Even the towns that are surrounded by rivers or which are situated on the banks of rivers like Allahabad, Rampur and Varanasi are no exception. One is reminded of the famous lines, "Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink." However, the questions that concern us are, one, where is all the water going? And second, is government doing nothing to solve this issue? I shall start with the second question, that what is government doing with regard to this water crisis? A new ministry has been created, namely Jal Shakti, for dealing with matters of water conservation in an integrated manner. From giving national water awards to organizing mass awareness programs, the government has always been on its toes when it came to water conservation. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to highlight over here that at present in India, there are about 30 water conservation programs that are running in rural and urban areas. Now the big question is that despite of these initiatives taken at the central and district level, where is all the water going? Before answering this, I have a question for everyone listening to me, and I want all of you to answer it for yourself. How many of us who drink water from sealed water bottles carry with us the same bottle if the water is still remaining? And how many of us throw that water in the nearby plant because we think that this water has become perishable and non-drinkable for the next day? Water is not perishable after 24 hours, but it will certainly perish from the world if not well preserved. Knowingly, not unknowingly, we waste water on a daily basis. We do not understand this wastage while doing small things as part of a daily routine. On an average, one person wastes about 0 to 45 liters of water per day. To understand it better, it is 30% per requirement per person on a daily basis. 125 million of water is wasted in India on a daily basis. The bottom line remains the same. Just because we can afford it doesn't mean we have a right to waste it too. So the answer to the question that where is all the water going will be, it is being wasted by us, the citizens. Where on one hand, the government is fighting tooth and nail to conserve this water for us, we are wasting it by taking 30-minute long showers, by not turning off the tap while brushing, shaving, by not using a bucket to wash our cars. A leaking faucet can waste about 4,000 drops of water, that is 1 liter of water wasted daily. So I would like to close my argument by stating that Article 51A of the Constitution says that it is the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to show compassion to all the living beings. Therefore, if we don't want to face another pandemic like the currently going COVID pandemic, then it's time we take our responsibilities seriously.